Hi, I just want to do a quick video and show you how now you can record a false alarm on the mobile app. Alright, so what we've done here is we've added this in so hotels or businesses could have a false alarm where the fire alarm system is activated but there's no actual fire or emergency. So this way we can record this. So in plain terms, the alarm goes off but there's no fire. Common causes in hotels include steam from showers, burnt toast or cooking fumes, aerosol, maintenance work, accidental activation, dust or insects and smoke detectors. So it's just another way of recording this as once it happens. Alright, so you're going to go into your mobile app, you're going to click on add false alarm, you're going to choose whatever site you're in, you then fill in the details. So date of activation, so you're going to click the little calendar and put in the date and time of when it was done. Location, floor and location area, so you're going to put in a exact detail of where the fire alarm was activated, and then you're going to choose the type and the cause of the fire alarm. Alright, so we have different types in here. So the first one is false alarm, where the alarm went off but there was no fire. So you're going to choose what caused the alarm to go off. So we've put in here options, what you can do. Next one is a fire system fault. Again, we've put in the option, so you choose which option it is. So system service or testing, power cut, activate other systems, fire suspension, intruder alarm. And you just choose whichever one it is. Malicious alarm, someone set it off on purpose. Or false alarm, good intent, someone thought there was a fire. So you have the option to choose whichever it is. Then you're going to add in the suspected cause of the activation. So you're just put in details here in the comment section. Full details why you think it was set off. Your fire panel is back to normal, yes or no. So you just choose yes or no. You then need to take a picture of the fire panel to show proof of what they can see in the fire panel. And then you can record what type of evacuation, if any, took place. So full, partial, none. It's just another way of recording it here. You then have the option, if you want, to raise to maintenance. So you add it to an incident list if it needs further attention. You notify a manager, so alert a manager if they need to be alerted. Add details of the activation device, so you can put in the actual number for the call point. Add detailed comments if you're required, so you can put in more details in here at the bottom. Add as many comments as you want, and you can also take more pictures if you want. Alright, so we have an option here also now, so you can save the draft. So say if you want to save what you've completed, but you need to go and check on more details, so you can go and back to where it was activated, and you need to take more pictures or add more comments. So you can save the draft and then go back into it again and add more details if you need to do that. And then once you're happy with it, you can then hit add false alarm, which means it'll be added into the system. Once you've done this here on the web portal, then you'll go back into here and you'll go to false alarms and false alarm registry. You'll see a list of all false alarms that have been set up. So when you're in here, you have the option to download it, or if you click the little more button, you can see more details. So you can pop it into an Excel, so you put the list into an Excel, so you hit the little Excel button up here at the top. Once you do that there, it'll give you a list of everything put into an Excel sheet. If you click the little more, you will see the full details of the false alarm that was recorded. Date of activation, who reported it, all the details in here. Any comments that were done, and the picture of the fire panel will be available. You can then, if you need, download into a PDF, click the little download button and it'll go into a PDF. So you're able to see exactly what was recorded. So if I just jump back in here again and I'll go into the thing, and you'll see false alarm, there's your register, and you'll see all the details. Download goes into PDF, or if you click more, you'll see the details. Okay.